If you watched my earlier video on the PETROSOL IPO investment opportunity, you need to hear this update before making any decision. PETROSOL has now moved another major step forward, and there is one important detail investors need to understand. Let's get into it. PETROSOL has reached the Ghana Stock Exchange. On 21st August 2026, the Ghana Stock Exchange announced the listing of PETROSOL Platinum Energy PLC Series 1 Tranches 01 and 02 on the Ghana Fixed Income Market, or JFIM. The listing is scheduled for 24th August 2026. These securities are part of PETROSOL's 200 million Ghana cedis notes program. So this is no longer simply a company announcing that it intends to raise money. The transaction has now reached the listing stage. But there is something I want to clarify from my previous video. You may hear people calling this the PETROSOL IPO, but technically this isn't the same as an ordinary share IPO. PETROSOL is listing notes on the fixed income market. So you are not simply buying ordinary PETROSOL shares and becoming a shareholder. You are investing in a debt security issued by the company. That distinction matters because your potential return and the risk are different from buying ordinary shares. According to the Ghana Stock Exchange published listing information, Tranche 01 carries a 16.25% annual coupon. Its stated maturity date is 17 August 2030. So for illustrations, if you invested 10,000 Ghana cedis at 16.25% coupon rate, the annual coupon will be approximately 1,625 Ghana cedis before applicable taxes and other considerations. But please don't hear that number and immediately conclude that you are guaranteed to make 1,625 Ghana cedis every year. Your actual return depends on the specific terms of the issue, purchase price, taxes, and other conditions. And that's exactly why the prospectus matters. This is where I would be very careful. Don't invest simply because you see 16.25%. The next step is to look beyond the interest rate. Investors need to understand how frequently are the coupons paid, what is the exact amount being raised in each tranche, what is the minimum investment, what security or protection backs the notes, what are PETROSOL's financial obligations, and importantly, what are the risks disclosed in the prospectus. These details can make a major difference when deciding whether the return is actually attractive for the level of risk you are taking. For investors, this gives another corporate fixed income opportunity in Ghana's capital market, but it also gives us something very important, an opportunity to evaluate PETROSOL as an investment based on actual documentations rather than rumors on social media hype. And that's the approach I recommend. Don't invest because someone says PETROSOL is paying 16.25%. Ask, why is it paying 16.25%? And is that return enough for the risk I'm taking? That's the real investment question. So here is the update in simple terms. PETROSOL Series 1 Tranche 0.1 and 02 are scheduled to list on the Ghana Fixed Income Market on 24th August 2026 under the 200 million Ghana cedis notes program. For Tranche 01, the Ghana Stock Exchanges published information show the Ghana Stock Exchanges published information shows a 16.25 annual coupon and a 17 August 2030 maturity date. That's certainly an opportunity worth watching. By high coupon does not automatically mean a good investment. Before putting your money in, read the official offer documentations and understand exactly what you are buying and what risk you are accepting. And if you want me to take the PETROSOL prospectus itself and break down the numbers, including how much you could actually earn from 1,000 Ghana cedis, 5,000 Ghana cedis, or 10,000 Ghana cedis, make sure to subscribe to Money Code Africa. Thank you for watching, and once again, I'll see you in the next one.